Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Internet Time Sync not working fix in Windows 11, 10. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Windows Time Service, change Startup type to Automatic, start the service, click Apply, click OK. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net space, stop space, W32 time. Type W32 TM space, /unregister. Type W32 TM space, /register. Type net space, start SPCE, W32 time. Third method is type timedata.cpl in Windows search bar, click timedate.cpl. Click Internet Time, click Change Settings. Select another server, click Update Now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.